an honor to be here.
This is like coming full circle and हो सकता है काफ़ी लोग यहाँ पे ऐसे बैठे हों who probably don't know who we are. But well, मेरा नाम सलमान है, साथ में मेरे छोटे भाई जमान है. We are Salman and Zaman. We're musicians, we're singers, songwriters, and we're very fortunate to be alumni of this very institute as well. So it's so good to be back here once again, standing at this very stage. Yeah. Come on.
Exactly, so the whole journey, because obviously we've got around 15 to 20 minutes, and in this whole span, we have to wrap up whatever we guys want to share with you, and also we would like to sing a couple of songs as well for you, because that's
Beshak.
something we would love to do. So the whole journey started off from this very stage, and let me be very honest, we were literally, जहाँ पे जितनी टीचर्स हैं वो सब हम लोग को जानते हैं, like Anu Thomas ma'am was there and Pyali ma'am was there. So we were very average students, okay? So ऐसे
We were pathetic in maths.
yeah. But
That's
the
the
only thing we could calculate was कि अभी हम घर जाएंगे, घर जाने के बाद we'll be listening to our favorite music, and then after listening to that very music, we guys will try to come up with something which has our own sound to it. So I'll tell you that, we had a vision, and that vision started off from this very stage that we will pursue music. Because since we guys come from a musical background, we guys come from a musical family, that is Rampur Saiswan Gharana. So हम लोग की हर सुबह we used to wake up listening to the sound of Tanpura. Alright, so Tanpura किस को पता है instrument? There's this instrument which is a very classical instrument, Hindustani classical music.
If someone is into classical music, Hindustani classical music, उसको पता होगा कि तानपुरा होता क्या है. Basically, Tanpura is the sound which is probably when people go for meditation or any something which you feel you want some peace in your life. So Tanpura was sound की जो उसकी vibrations होती है it is very peaceful. So it's like जो सुनते हैं. So basically we belonging to a musical family. हमारी जो आँख खुलती थी हमेशा वो तानपुरे के साउंड से खुलती थी, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स जैसे ज़मान ने बताया दैट वी बिलोंग टू म्यूजिकल फैमिली, तो हमारे घर में ही म्यूजिक था. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड when we used to go to the school, chill out with our friends, so we were always, we had a lot of, exposure to world music as well, because we grew up listening to a lot of, hard rock and heavy metal and classic rock as well, just like, Pink Floyd and U2 and Guns N' Roses, Metallica. So in spite of the fact that I grew up learning Hindustani classical music, Zaman grew up listening to a lot of Western classical music. So both the brothers, we decided we're going to take this traditional thing, which is from our family, but we're going to do it in our own way. जैसे कि अभी हर्ष also shared कि आपका काम ही आपकी पहचान होती है. So of course people do a lot of music, but we made it sure that we're gonna make the Salman Zaman sound together.
And that is the whole point of when you collaborate technology, and when you collaborate whatever things you have learned. तो वो जो एक collaboration होता है, वो जो एक blend होता है, I think that is very important, because on one hand we were listening to the Hindustani classical music जो कि हमारे घराने का है, जो कि हम सुन रहे हैं. And initially when we were learning Hindustani classical music, trust me, I won't lie, it was boring. Yeah.
It is. Initially it is very boring. Yeah.
क्योंकि we were like यार घंटों आप करे जा रहे हैं सा रे गा मा, and it's going on, the whole cycle goes on 20 मिनट का, आधे घंटे का, you just have to do this one whole रियाज all over. And on the other hand, I'm listening to a sound of music which is being enjoyed by all of my classmates, all of my friends. We're listening to Pink Floyd, we're listening to foot-tapping Bollywood songs. But then later we decided, both of us, we sat down, okay, let's try to create something which is a blend of both Hindustani classical music and whatever the influences and whatever the sound of music that we guys are listening to. And I think that decision was indeed the best decision. वो जो एक fusion था, it started off probably 10 years back, and then I won't lie to you, I'm getting goosebumps right now. We were the first act all over India, and I was in class 11th.
I was in class 12th, and we went to participate in an all India, music competition, a rock band competition, and it was sponsored by probably one of the biggest radio stations of the country, one of the biggest telecom companies of the country. I won't name them. And the judge of that very competition was one of the biggest Sufi rock groups. All of you must have heard about this band called Junoon from Pakistan, right?
I mean, we've all have grown up listening to this song called Sayoni. So the composer and the makers of those songs, so they were the judge over there, and thankfully, with the blessings of the Almighty, we won that competition.
We won that I still have that trophy at home because innovation, innovative thinking, and of course originality matters a lot.
Exactly.
We were the only band from the school that with one cover we also had a classical fusion based original composition already composed for that very competition. We composed it for that very competition, making sure that you know what बाकी सब जो भी कर रहे हैं, but we're gonna make sure that जब लोग सलमान और जमान को स्टेज पे देखेंगे तो उनका क्या प्लस पॉइंट है. That's about it. You know, that is what you make simple.
See, it was very important to do music, but then it was the biggest thing was to do the original music that we had to write on our own and we had to compose on our own. So I think that has been the turning point, and I think this goes out for every one of you. ठीक है, आप whatever you guys want to pursue, if you guys want to go pursue any sort of creative field, make sure you just add a pinch of your originality to it.
Absolutely.
क्योंकि अगर किसी को ये पता, एक जिसको कहते हैं ना बहुत सारे टूथपेस्ट हैं पर कोलगेट हर जगह है, बिकॉज कोलगेट वॉज द ब्रांड दैट क्रिएटेड इट्स ओरिजिनलिटी. जैसे कितने नूडल्स हैं बट जो मैगी है वो मैगी है. So on the other hand, so why are we discussing these brands? Because the thing is that they have made that one original factor, that original image in the minds of everyone. Same way, there are a lot of musicians, like everyone is there. Every other person is making music these days, because all thanks to the technology. Now पहले क्या होता था कि हम लोग record करते थे. Everything used to be recorded live. Everything was so analog कि पूरे orchestras आ रहे हैं. They used to be sitting from like for good 4 to 6 hours, and then artists like Kishore Da, Mohammed Rafi, they used to record songs from 1 second till the last second.
In one take.
In one take. And all thanks to the technology that now we guys can even record songs. Like we just did a project. We released this song called Jhoom Jhoom, and it's been trending all over Instagram and YouTube. So when we were composing this song and we recorded, so the instrumentation was done in Mumbai, and I remember we were there in Dubai for a concert, and we had to release the song just after 2 days. You won't believe, our sound engineer was sitting in Mumbai, and both of us were in the studio in Dubai recording this song. And if you'll go on YouTube and listen to the song, I think you guys gonna fall in love with that one. And that's how the technology played the most important role for us. And again, the originality.
Plus the versatility, because people say, as that lovely lady, she mentioned in our intro as well, that people call Salman Zaman as, Hindustan ki आन बान शान, versatility की पहचान, and Sufi के सुल्तान, and all that stuff. These are all titles thankfully all our fans and music lovers gave to us, because जैसे कहते हैं कि we musicians, so कोई आर्ट का कोई नपा तुला कोई नाप नहीं है कि if I'm an actor, so ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैं कॉमेडी मूवीज़ ही करूँ या रोमांटिक मूवीज़ ही करूँ या एक्शन मूवीज़ ही करूँ. I'm an actor. I'm an artist. आर्ट की कोई लिमिट ही नहीं होती. It's a sky up above. It is limitless. Same way, when we decided to do music, we wanted to explore all the genres whichever we felt that we'll be probably we're gonna probably challenge our creativity and push our creativity, that what all crazy stuff we can do with our music जो भी हमें टूटा फूटा काम आता है. And thankfully, because of all your love and that we guys are here today.
And again the most important thing is to have that originality in you. I mean, I remember the same way when we won this competition for our school, then we went to this national TV, that is MTV Rock On. It took place, and we even won that. And then after that, we were the artists. Like, we reside from Delhi. In 2010, the Commonwealth Games happened, right? So दिल्ली को जो उनका ओरिजिनल एंथम दिया था वो भी हम लोगों ने दिया था. So that was the originality. And when we I still remember and it was the late CM Sheila Dikshit was there. And so Sheila Dikshit ma'am, she just called us up in the office and she was like, hey, you know, we've been listening to all your songs, we've been listening to all your original songs. We want to have an anthem for Delhi. And you know, when you talk about Delhi and when you talk about an anthem, आपको कैसे 4 मिनट में you have to jot down every single thing of Delhi, you know,
Yeah.
right from the food of Delhi, right from the schools of Delhi, right from the development of Delhi,
The food, everything, yeah.
and the people, and you know, एक उस गाने में अपना बहुत अच्छी लाइनें हैं. I would definitely, you know, recommend you guys to
that
just
song.
listen to that song. So you know, to match up everything in the span of 4 minutes, that was a task, and you know, thankfully we guys did that, and that anthem was played everywhere. Everywhere. And you know, after that we even did that was the most beautiful moment of in our life when 26 जनवरी पे जब दिल्ली की जब झांकी आई थी, you know, 26 जनवरी की परेड होती है,
हर स्टेट का टैब्लो आता है.
exactly, जब दिल्ली की झांकी आई थी, we were even the part of that very music that was done right behind on the 26th.
On the Republic Day. On the Republic Day parade. And that song was played. That song was played as well. So, you know, if we'll be probably having some time, we're going to play that song as well. But yeah, please carry on. Yeah.
So I think that's the best thing which we guys
But
can.
one thing I like to share to all you guys, you know, trust me, you guys still very young. Make sure आप लोग सीखना कभी भी बंद ना करें. Because रियाज, work on your skill. Trust me, you know, fine, technology भी इंसान ने ही बनाई है. उसने अपने skills पक्के करके ही technology बनाई है. और वो जो भी technology चल रही है, कोई ना कोई दूसरा इंसान आएगा जो उस technology को ही पीछे छोड़ देगा. क्योंकि जिसने अपने skills से और अच्छा काम करा होगा. Trust me on this one. As sir said कि, you know, till now, like probably we've got a couple of new phones, couple of new gadgets, but there will be someone probably maybe in India or probably in Silicon Valley who will be working, you know, on his skills day in, day out, and boom, you're gonna probably get new gadget one day. Okay, so please always work on your skills. Always work on your skills. I'll just give you an example. जैसे like probably if you take any example of a warrior or a soldier, वो जंग में रोज नहीं जाता है, लेकिन रोज सुबह उठ के अपनी तलवार की धार जरूर घिसता है. You know, that is what working on your skills matter a lot, no matter what. In our very case, we musicians, हम लोग रोज रियाज करते हैं. अगर रियाज का टाइम नहीं पड़ रहा है तब भी हम लोग फ्लाइटों में I carry my small Bluetooth speaker and a Tanpura application in my iPhone. Okay, so wherever we guys go, probably do some bit of riyaz, anything. Just but make sure that you guys work on your skill always, no matter what. Because never stop learning. जिंदगी हमेशा इंसान सीखता ही रहता है. Every day is a new day. Every day probably you learn something new. So please सीखना कभी भी नहीं छोड़ें. वो जो होता है ना कहावत कि अरे मैंने बिना सीखे कर लिया, वो कर लिया. You know, sometimes fine brag करने के लिए अच्छा लगता है, but skills matter the most.
Exactly,
period.
that's how it is. And on the other hand, you know, I would just like to add this one thing on that कि क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं. I mean, a lot of you guys. I just want to see who all are intent towards music in this room. Like people who want to learn music, student who want to pursue music, and you know, they feel that it's so tough to maintain that balance between the studies. So if you guys want to ask us anything, please go ahead.
Very good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon.
Very inspired by what all you said. And one very basic question to you. कैसे manage किया? Because you guys said कि 11th में थे आप लोग. Achieving these goals of your life.
Yeah.
I think probably the biggest milestones you had at the age of 16, 15, 16?
Yeah.
And how did you guys do it? Because I have been trained in music, but ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे 10th के बाद सभी छूट गया है. So yeah, I just wanted to know कि आप कैसे ही manage किया with all that happening in your life, boards भी 12th में. So how did you guys do that?
I think Salman, please go ahead.
देखिए, दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं. ठीक है, इंसान 6-7 से 8 घंटे सो लेता है. ठीक है, 8 घंटे पढ़ लेगा, 10 घंटे पढ़ लेगा. ठीक है, दिमाग की भी नो एक क्षमता होती है ना. ओके, आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में अपने पसंदीदा स्किल के लिए, अपने पैशन के लिए आप 1 से 1.5 घंटा तो कुछ भी करके निकाल सकते हैं, नो मैटर व्हाट. ये आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी से फैसला करना पड़ता है कि फाइन 24 घंटे में से 14 घंटे पेरेंट्स के नाम, 12 घंटे इनके नाम, 1 घंटा ये मेरे नाम है.
I think that is
very important. Trust me.
Time management is the key. And you know, you need to have those, you need to have that zeal, that passion towards the thing, towards that art. And you know, जो कि मैं अभी भी करता हूँ, that if I have to achieve anything, for a day, I'll get up, आराम से, I'll meditate for good 10 minutes and I'll see myself over there. So just try doing that. Like if you want to see yourself, probably after 10 years, if you want to see yourself doing concerts, you know, singing for a crowd, singing for a stadium full of crowd,
people, yeah.
and you know, write your own songs, picture yourself. For once, try doing that. Manifest that. We guys manifested this. You know, trust me, जब हम लोग school competitions में जाते थे, उस time पे school competitions होते थे, they used to be, you know, group dance is happening, bhajan competition is happening. A lot of different competitions were used to
Devotional
happen,
songs, yeah.
but there wasn't any, you know, what do you say, a rock band competition happening in the school zones. And but you know, we were like, we used to feel कि पता नहीं कब होगा, but then we only decided. We sat down, हमने देखा कि कहाँ हो रहा है. Let's go there. Let's give them, let's send them our songs. क्या होगा? मेल में जवाब ना आ जाएगा, पर 5 years down the lane मैं ये नहीं सोचूंगा कि यार मैंने try नहीं किया. The worst feeling in life is to regret.
Always remember, you're very young. There's nothing to lose, only to gain. Always remember, nothing to lose, only to gain. Nothing to lose, only to gain. Simple as that.
So just picture yourself, just manifest. That's it. And
As simple as
time
that.
management is the key. And
Thank you so much.
that's how it is. And all the best to you guys, please.
All the very best. Make sure you guys, you know, pursue your dreams, pursue your passion, and you know, just make the most of your life. As simple as that.
And I think now,
Never stop dreaming, because dreaming is believing. Trust me, we dreamed, and that's why we're standing here. Simple. Yeah.
And I think now let's just
अब बहुत
loosen up.
बातें हो गई हैं ना, बातें बहुत हो गई हैं अब, you know. Now let's have some rock and roll. Okay, so the first song which we're gonna sing is the same very song which Zaman told you about. It is the Delhi anthem which we composed during the Commonwealth Games when the late Chief Minister of Delhi, Miss Sheila Dikshit, approached us, and we made this song. So I'm assuming we're all, majority of them are Delhi wale hain sare, right? We're all Delhiites, right? Because I'm a proud hardcore South Delhi boy, man. I'm going to be very honest. Okay, so I want to see how this place sounds when all of us clap together. Everybody, come on. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
So it goes like this. This is where I belong. Delhi's my home. This is where I belong. Delhi's my home.
सारे रंग हैं, सारे संग हैं, छोटी छोटी गलियों में ऊंची पतंग है. सारे रंग हैं, सारे संग हैं, छोटी छोटी गलियों में ऊंची पतंग है. हौसले हमने कुछ कर दिखाने के, रुके ना रुके हम, रुके ना रुके हम. सलामत रहे तू, रोशन रहे, है सबकी दुआ दिल्ली. सलामत रहे तू, रोशन रहे, है सबकी दुआ दिल्ली.
This is where I belong. Delhi's my home. This is where I belong. Delhi's my home.
Gagare gare sa pa pa ga pa ga re ni ni pa ni pa sa sa ni pa ga re sa ni re sa ga pa ni pa ga re ga pa ni pa ga re ni re sa ni pa ni sa ga pa ni sa ga pa ni sa ga pa ni sa. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Okay. Next. So this next song we're going to perform, it's our original song, because people call us, as the lady said, you know, people call us the Sufi ke Sultan, Salman Zaman. So this song is very special. It's our own song. So here goes. So this song is called Jhoom Jhoom, because Sufi music is all about love and the Almighty, and you know, it's about, you know, कहते ये हैं जिस दिल में मोहब्बत नहीं उस दिल में इबादत नहीं, सिंपल एज दैट। ऑलराइट, सो नो मैटर व्हाट, ऑलवेज लव योरसेल्फ एंड लाइफ इज अ गिफ्ट, लिव टू द फुलेस्ट, राइट। मैं तो पिया की जोगन बन के, मैं तो पिया की जोगन बन के घूमूं मैं दर दर घूमूं, घूमूं मैं दर दर घूमूं, खुसरो निजाम के जाऊं मैं बल बल, खुसरो निजाम के जाऊं मैं बल बल, बिनती मोरी इतनी सी है, पार मोरा परदेसी है, जोगी बना मैं घूमूं मस्त मलंग होके दिल बोल, झूम 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 झूम,
बिनती मोरी इतनी सी है, पार मोरा परदेसी है, जोगी बना मैं घूमूं मस्त मलंग होके दिल बोले,
झूम 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 झूम। Everybody, come on, everybody. Everybody on the club, come on, get up, 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 everybody, come on. Get up, 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 everybody. Come on, get up, get up, get up. तन रबाब मन की गिरी है सौरगे भई सब तार, ये रोम रोम सुर देते हैं जब बाजत नाम त्योहार, तन रबाब मन की गिरी है सौरगे भई सब तार, ये रोम रोम सुर देते हैं जब नामत नाम त्योहार, बिनती मोरी इतनी सी है, पार मोरा परदेसी है, जोगी बना मैं घूम मस्त 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 मलंग होके दिल बोल, झूम 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 झूम।
Well, a big thanks to all of you guys.
Thank you so much, everybody. We had a lovely time. Cambridge School, Shinaspuri, we love you. Thank you so much. This is Salman and Zaman signing off.
We just always remember this one thing: never stop believing, never stop dreaming.
Because dreaming is believing. I'm Salman Khan Niazi. This is my brother Zaman Khan. We are Salman and Zaman. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. Do listen to our music always. And whenever we'll be available, we're anytime here for the school. Do come for our concerts as well. Do buy our tickets, and trust me, we're gonna give you your craziest time, inshallah, for sure. Always.
God bless
Thank you
you
so
guys.
much.
Thank
God
you so
bless you all. Thank you so much.